morning. Oof. Got to bed at 4 this morning. Finished editing the vlog. So much fun. I just realized I made a huge mistake on yesterday's vlog after I had already uploaded and posted it everywhere. So I had to go and delete it, take it down from everywhere, and now I'm re-rendering it so I can repost it. You feel like watching Daniel Tiger?
I knew it would be found on a ball, but I knew it would have been. I knew it would have been found under the bed like before, but I knew it wouldn't be under Logan's bed.
Thanks for reaching the ball. Katie reached the ball! Yay!
Yay!
Oh no! Dab, dab, dab.
Dab
Dab.
for life.
You not ready to get done? Here you. Isaac, do you need some snuggles?
No, I don't. I'm fine, Daddy.
You're
I'm
fine? You don't need any snuggles?
No.
Okay. Hey, it's my big friend. My friend. My big friend. Friend. Big friend. Good morning. How are you? Aw.
What's up? Cat.
What's up, cats?
Now see your face.
See your face,
Like I've seen it.
and I see my face.
Step one.
Step one. Step one.
Step one.
Logan, you're making memes on our YouTube channel.
What? Hold my hand.
What's this button for? Oh, I took a picture. Oh, that's kind of handy. Did you know you can take a picture while you're making a video?
What's up?
What's up, cats? Here, check this out. Look at this little picture, this button right here. I was like, what does this button do? You were looking for those pieces forever?
Yeah, I was looking for those
Aww.
pieces.
I'm so glad you found them.
Now we have. I lost Lisa, so I find him.
Snapshot. We like Snapshot.
Yeah,
He's great.
that made me so happy.
I'm so glad. You tried to play yesterday, but you didn't have Snapshot?
No.
Uh,
Where's my kazoo?
Oh,
I don't know.
Oh, there's.
Mommy, that's too bad. That's the board in the red box. Come on, pack up. I saw you doing that today.
Good night, Skylanders.
Oh.
Sweet dreams. Okay, it's awesome. That's so cool. Look, it snaps to Blue.
Nope, Logan, nope.
Katie, this drawing, it fills me with determination. It is almost time for vacation. And by vacation, I mean like a 3-day weekend, but still it's awesome. I'm so excited. Going to an indoor swimming pool thing. I don't really know the details, but it's going to be awesome. I'm looking for a waterproof camera. I want to be able to shoot video and photos and not have to worry about getting my camera wet and frying it and having to try to replace it. I'm so excited about this weekend. I can't even tell you. Our family's kind of spread out all over the place, so that was a really unexpected benefit of starting a daily vlog, is that they've actually gotten a chance to see our family and the kids, and in a way kind of share in the daily experience with us. It's so much fun, and I've gotten a lot of positive feedback, and I'm just so glad to hear that people are enjoying it. Because I'm enjoying it. I love making it. It's a lot of work, but it's worth it. Just got a kick out of that sign.